Good morning, South Africans. Good morning, Africa as a whole. Good morning. Eish, today we are going to get happy. Ne, I'm so happy. The Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg has interdicted Operation Msunu Dudula from performing various actions against foreign nationals, which includes interfering with access to health care services, as well as intimidation, harassment, and assault. Lautor Bari, this thing, which means Bastopa Dudola Wiram Nonsonsuva Yirange Mohaim, is stopping them completely. And it must be like that. Lankalwai, Arudwaga Dudola. Lankalwai. Musonoa Wazandile, the old Dudola operation fools. I repeat. I hope a rogopana le na mo dipetlele mo le tletse di kitle di tlaela le tlweseme petwa le na di kepe le tlotla mo ditarateng le ko ba batho. What court said must be followed, or byanong le tlo bona hore batho ba itoela byanong. A ke la bona some part ka mojobe ke ba thomile go itoela ka taba tsa Dudola tse. So ke tsona dilo tse le nyakong go di bona. That's the kind of rubbish you want to see. Black on black fighting, killing each other. Dudola, you must stop that nonsense with immediate effect. The Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg has interdicted Operation Msunu Dudula from performing various actions. I hope this goes straight to that Kailanyana Sela Sago Rangua Sela Nalego Poging Polo Songo Zone 4 Kema. That fool was Zone 4 eu. At Aroba Alas Wega Levene as usual. An American get useless. Must stay home and nestele afilise bana ba di cousin tsa ha tsa bana ba go ha bo skolong awo. Dudola, you must stop that nonsense.
Nthemba sesiyibonile judgment ekhitshwe iGauteng High Court yokuthi into yenziwa ngo-Operation Dudula lamanye angama organization le ayikho emthethweni and bazoboshwa if mangaqhubeka beyenza lento. According to the judgment, abalali ilungelo lokuthi bakumise esitaradeni bakubuze i-ID kumbe passport. Abalali ilungelo futhi lokuthi bavimba abantu ema-clinics. Mabe nga-reportwa bayabotshwa ngoba into abayenza against the law. Uyabona, ngihleli ngiyithinta lento ukuthi empilweni ungavumela ama-emotions ukuthi akudrive. You end up doing izinye izinto ezi-wrong when usithi uyalungisa. Operation Dudula bebe lento ebambekayo reasonable impela ukuthi bangayi-addressa bekhuluma ukuthi bathi madoda libona njani ukuthi elizweni lethu sesigcwele labantu abangekho documented and abantu laba mabe besenza amacala kuba nzima ukuthi siba-identify. How best can you so kuhlalwe phansi be-reason but bona baphushwe ngama-emotions bahlathi undocumented foreigners bagcwale esitaradeni and maku ukuthi ama-court akhipha i-judgment against bona kube sokuzwakala ngazathi i-government yase-South Africa i-against ama-South Africans kanti-ke hayi, i-government ye-South Africa ayikho against ama-South Africans but ungayenzi izinto ezicina zisenza ukuthi uphula umthetho wona usithi uyalungisa. I-government ye-South Africa ilandela i-constitution, ilandela umthetho ngendlela izinto kumele ziqhutshwe ngayo. Ama-emotions leader astray. Sit down and reason proper. Into yakho ma uyi-approacha ustate ama-valid reason. Somehow uyagcina uzwakala ukuthi into okukhulumayo ukhuluma ngani. But wena ungavumela ama-emotions nje akudrive nje gijima ugcwala iganga kuphela ngenzondo kuphela. At the end of the day uyogcina uthola ukuthi akekho nje lo yedwa umuntu okusupportayo.
Nyala sakuva ukuthi Dudula watwa siyokubophisa sidlali nje siyokubophisa sivula icase hambe uyohlala ejele. Ikhathi sibhizi thina ngoDisemba sithi khona into engale malume ukhulumile wathi khona into engalena kanti ziwa ngale chiki cha sishaya ingoma zika DJ Tira wena uzobula best toxin. Angazi ngoba nithini nama crimes amaningi akhomithwa ngama foreigners and nithini na kuma prisons ase South Africa kugqola ama foreigners uyobathola le prison uzobachazela kahle ukuthi bomelane le clinic. Ngemistake uvela uhlangane nalo wamstopa wavele wayenza corruption waboshwa. Ngiyanitshela bafethu khulumile icourt yathi this is against the constitution of South Africa. Uzoboshwa uzoboshwa wena uzama ukujabulisa uZandile Dabula ofuna ukuyoba yimember yaseParliament athole 100,000 rand salary every month. Wena uzoboshwa, uZandile abhiza adle 100,000. Singeniyeke.
Good news coming from South Africa. Operation Dudula, the vigilante group that goes around targeting foreigners and non-South Africans that are of African origin, has been ordered to stop their activities by the court. The court has interdicted Operation Dudula that they should stop intimidating African migrants, stop looting their businesses, stop denying them healthcare by going into hospitals and pulling them out of the beds, and stop pulling little children out of school because you feel that they are not South African. While some of these people will go into school and be denying little children education, and they will look at the skin color and they say, no, this one is dark, it can't be South African. And in so doing, having denying their own South African citizens because they believe South Africans are not dark-skinned. And these are black people. They'll go into school and look at children that are dark and pull them out of schools and say, no, you're a foreigner. And your parents are not supposed to send you to this school. They've been doing that for years now, and now the court has actually stopped them on their tracks. Thanks to the South African court for allowing cool heads to reign and for bringing justice. Justice, yes. Because all the operations of Operation Dudula are basically against the South African liberal and peaceful constitution. And secondly, if you want to become a politician in South Africa and you're a nobody before, all you just have to do is go on the streets and say Kore must go, and a lot of people will follow you. When you say foreigners must go, a lot of people will follow you. And after that, you register a political party, you contest in the elections. And if you just get a little portion of the votes, maybe 1%, you are already in parliament. And this is the trick a lot of people are using, like Emma Mashaba and this guy that is a sports minister, Mackenzie. All they just have to do is say foreigners must go. Some xenophobic people will follow them and vote for them, and boom, they are in parliament and their tunes change and they start eating money. So thanks to the South African court, and I hope there can be a peaceful resolution to everything. Nyabonga.
Commander's morning. Yazi angimazi ulitsekelekiwe i-FF ukuthi usifunani. Oros usifunani. I think uhlala kweyakhe planet as a South African, whether uyeyiphi political party, kufanele ulwele izwe lwakho ligcwele ngamakwerekwere. Thina-ke sibuya kude nedudula, sisazodudula. Asisabi, asoyiki ngokoyikiswa. Phuma kithi, bekufanele ngabe nenza into right, nivumelana nathi, but ni against. Thina-ke ayasinukela amakwerekwere, ayasinukela amakwang, agcwele, sisazowadudula, asisabi next. Tsekeleke, oros phuma kithi tu, awuhlukane nathi. Sidudula sibuya kude nayo, sineminyaka sidudula.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Ejabulile makwerekwere ngemva kokuthi i-High Court ikhiphe isinqumo sokuthi i-Operation Dudula lokule kwenda ku-unlawful kokuthi baye esibhedlela emaklinikhi etikolweni or anywhere baqoshe ama-foreigners bademande nema-permits from foreigners. I-High Court ithi lo akusiwo umsebenzi we-Operation Dudula, umsebenzi wamaphoyisa, so akufuneki abatholakale baphinze bayenda into lenjalo. So bajabule bayafa abantu bochamuka bathi sahasho nebantu labasupporta amakwerekwere nabo bajabulile. Ama-members of EFF, they are all happy ekutheni sasho ukuthi lokhu kwentwa i-Operation Dudula akukho emthethweni. Guys, kusemthethweni yini ngokuthi ama-foreigners afike atohlala la South Africa asebenzise ma-services ase-public clinics and public hospital? Kusemthethweni yini ngokuthi umuntu asuke eveni lakhe ngalokhu ngekho emthethweni atohlala la South Africa? I-government yala Mzansi kahle kahle, honestly speaking, iyasifailisha sibani bala South Africa. I-government yala Mzansi i-support ama-foreigners, EFF i-support ama-foreigners, ANC i-support ama-foreigners. So people are just saying ukuthi they will not stop, or bathi ngeke nje baze beve nge-High Court, bona ngeke baze beve ngemakwerekwere, batoqhubeka ubayelapha emaklinikhi nasetibhedlela bayothi ho to ma-foreigners. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.